Welcome to our channel. Today, we will be watching 80 unbelievable moments caught on camera. These incredible scenes will definitely leave you in awe. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on other interesting videos. Let's get started now. The video shows a strong wind blowing through, causing the fabric roof to lift and sway continuously. Let's see if this roof can withstand the wind. The terrible flood swept everything away, smashing the bridge like a punch from nature. The power of water is truly terrifying. In the middle of the small tornado, everyone was standing there watching. Suddenly, a person rushed in and passed through without any harm. The volcano suddenly erupted from under the sea, creating a giant column of fire and smoke, causing the water surface to shake violently. The terrible flood swept away cars like toys. The raging water engulfed everything in its path. The power of nature was evident in this horrifying scene. The fierce waves crashed against the shore. White foam splashed. One eagerly stepped down, enjoying the intense feeling. A wheel suddenly rolled out from the front, hit another car, and was pushed back, creating an unbelievable scene. The ship tilted violently, timbers fell into the water with a loud crash, leaving the sea surface littered with floating timber.
Bubbles coming up. Bubbles, bubbles, look at this.
Wow.
Holy cow. ต่อแถวเข้าบ้านมีกี่ตัวเนี่ยโอ้โอ้โอ้ยังไม่หนักOh no!
Lightning struck near two men standing outside. One fell down, then quickly got up and ran away. Luckily, both were safe. Suddenly, the water tank collapsed and broke. Water spilled out, creating a horrifying scene. While the car was moving, the two rear wheels suddenly fell off, creating a terrifying scene as the car lost control. The beach was filled with white foam. People happily ran out to play, enjoying the cool, refreshing feeling from the waves. The rock fell into the water, creating a powerful explosion, water splashing all over the space. The sky was blue without a cloud, creating a peaceful and fresh scene. Thank you for watching the video. These moments are not only surprising, but also bring valuable lessons. If you find the video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to discover more great things. See you in the next videos.